Today I'm going to talk about transformation geometry, and I'm going to talk about the assessment of it over here. So as you can see, in the black marker it is the exam board's assessment of this question, and then in the blue here it is my personal interpretation of the question and how the mark should be laid out. So if you focus on the first part of setting up this question, the exam board gave 4 marks each, and I decided, it's basic enough. Students should be able to do this, as they're doing a lot of it in other questions. So I only gave that 2 marks each instead of the 4. Next, central symmetry. The exam board gave 4, locating the points and locating the points through O. I personally think this is a vital part of the question, and that's why I gave it the extra mark there. And finding the key points is also important. Likewise, accuracy, I deducted 1 mark off that because you can allow a little bit for accuracy. It's not just important as finding the points. That's the same with translation accuracy. I deducted 1 point as well, so that's 3. The concept of translation is lines parallel, so I gave that an extra mark, and to find the key points I gave that an extra mark as well. Axial symmetry, perpendicular lines, I gave that an extra mark as well, as that's the concept of axial symmetry. They need to know that lines are brought perpendicular. And as you can see, then in the last part, rotations. Rotations is the part of the question which is awarded the most marks. As you can see, it's 17, 13, 13, 13. And that's because there's a lot of information in it. You need a good understanding of transformation geometry. So I give an extra mark for finding the centre of the rotation, because this is important to part of the question. And then finding key points, I gave an extra mark as well. And accuracy, likewise, I deducted 1 mark, because accuracy can be determined in your drawing accuracy down here. And that sums up my assessment of transformation geometry.